Thinking of starting your preparation for the PMP exam, here are top 5 time-tested steps that can help you effectively study for the exam and maximize your chances of passing on your first attempt. Number 1, understand the exam format and content. Familiarize yourself with the PMP exam structure, including the number of questions, types of questions, such as the multiple choice, multiple responses, etc., and the domains covered in the exam. Use PMP exam content outline, aka ECO, as your guide. You can download this PDF document from pmi.org website. Number 2, create a study plan. Develop a structured study plan that outlines what you need to study and when. Allocate time for each domain, incorporate breaks, and set milestones to track your progress. Ensure your plan is realistic and allows for adjustments as needed. Number 3, take practice exams. Regularly take practice exams to assess your knowledge and familiarity with the exam format. Analyze your results to identify weak areas and focus your studies accordingly. Aim for a score of 75% or more consistently before the actual exam date. Number 4, simulate exam conditions. When taking practice exams, simulate real exam conditions by timing yourself and avoiding distraction. This will help you manage your time during the actual exam and reduce anxiety. Investment in an exam simulator is strongly recommended. Number 5, take an instructor-led training course. Invest in an instructor-led exam prep training program. We can help. Let us know in the comments down below. For more such valuable tips, subscribe to this channel and share it with others who can also benefit. All the best.